I was talking to a person who's isang kamag-anak niya na sobrang yaman. Like I'm just hindi ko ma-explain sa inyo o maparamdam sa inyo kung gaano siyang kayaman just by saying na mayaman siya, but talagang grabe ang yaman niya, no? But recently na-diagnose ng terminal cancer, and this person is basically dying, and the doctor said wala na silang magagawa, and it's really just a matter of time. No, wala na talaga. And this person, kapapagawa lang niya ng kanyang bahay. I don't even know kung ilan na ang bahay ng tao na to sa sobrang yaman niya, but katatapos ng bahay niya na napakalaki, napakaganda, at talagang napakamahal, no? And ang sinabi nung asawa niya about everything, about all the material wealth na nakaharap sa kanila, no? All this means nothing. All of this, kapag ikaw ay nagkasakit, kapag ikaw ay sinabihan na may taning na ang buhay mo and you can die anytime, anything that you would think napakahalaga noon, na wala kang sakit, wala kang nararamdaman, lahat yun mawawalan ng kulay, mawawalan ng lasa, mawawalan ng gana, because you know that life is slipping away. And when I was listening to that, and I just said, it's the absolute recalibrating tool, no? Yung malaman mo na ang buhay ay temporary lang. And I really, really, really want people to succeed in their finance. I want them to be financially free. Kasi sa akin, konti lang yung mga bagay sa buhay na talagang naaapektuhan ang lahat or almost lahat ng area ng buhay natin. At unang-una dyan, yung ating faith, pananampalataya. Pangalawa, finance. Lahat yan natatamaan niya, lahat ng importanteng bagay sa atin. Faith and finance. Kasi maapektuhan niya ng alin? Ang buhay ng pamilya mo, relationships mo, yung mga options sa buhay, even politics, no? Yung dalawa na yan. Talagang yan ang tumutumbok ng ating pang-araw-araw na sitwasyon sa buhay, sa mundo na ito. But there is that one thing that resets everything else, and that is death. That is knowing that your life is just temporary. No matter how successful you may become, hindi importante kung ganong kasikat ka, ano ang naging posisyon mo, ano yung naging ranko mo, kahit na ikaw ay president ng isang kumpanya, presidente ng bansa, wala yun, lahat yun. When you know that your life is about to end, everything is under that reset button, and you will know that you're not different from anyone else. And I think that's a very important realization para sa ating lahat. And not only that, napaka-importante no na gawin nating measuring tool para sa lahat ng ating mga plano sa buhay, lahat ng ating mga priority sa buhay. You know, when I encourage people to go out and be successful and chase their dreams and really, you know, be the best that you can be, that is under the condition na mabubuhay ka, no, that you will still be here. But if life is ala na eh, no, wala na. So anong mangyayari? So everything, all the mind conditioning, the priming of your body, the directing of your life, the vision, lahat yan mafi-filter nung katotohanan that you will die soon. You will die. I will die. And therefore, wealth and success will have another kind of meaning sa ating buhay, na kung sa umpisa ay pangsariling kaligayahan lang, to satisfy your hunger, your vanity, mababago na, knowing that your life is temporary. Your wealth, your success, your position will now be a tool to make a difference while you are here. So kung ano man yung pera na meron ka, ano man yung posisyon na meron ka, ano man yung fame na naabot mo, ano mang success, gamitin mo to make a difference while you can. Because in the end, that is the only thing that will matter. You know? Lahat naman tayo mamamatay eh. Lahat tayo eh. Pero ang tanong, ano yung ginawa mo dun sa pagkakataon na binigay sa'yo? Will your existence mean something? Not just for you, but for the people around you. Nagkaroon ba ng kabuluhan yung pagiging mong successful na entrepreneur, na successful na business owner, successful na investor, o lahat yan is just about, you know, buying cars, building a bigger house, traveling here and there. You know, it's nice, but it doesn't mean anything in the face of death. But when you use it for the good, that you become yourself a force for good, your wealth, your money, your talent, your position will have a deeper meaning, a deeper purpose. And that, my friend, that is true wealth. Yan ang tunay na kayamanan. So thank you once again for listening and being with me as I drive along. And if you like this kind of content, please share and like, subscribe. You know the drill. You know, it will honor me. It will encourage my heart. And so I will see you again in our next episode. Don't forget, keep moving forward.